Selling a home is no easy task. You need to prepare the product, your home, have the right price and marketing strategy to attract an enticing offer. With our virtual home staging consultations, we can provide you with detailed instructions on how to simplify a space to shine among your neighboring competition. You will learn what updates the property needs to get top dollar, tips on curb appeal, and much more. Our team will demonstrate methods on rearranging, organizing, and in many cases, adding or editing furniture and home decor. Here's what to expect during these consultations. A detailed property review with photos provided by you prior to the scheduled consultation so our team can strategize before we even get on the call. Then we'll have a 1-hour virtual walkthrough by utilizing Zoom to evaluate each area of the property, including curb appeal. We will share with you a written report that has all the notes regarding suggested updates, repairs, furniture arrangement, and decorating suggestions. Plus, once your home is ready to hit the market, we will highlight the MLS listing by marketing on our social platforms and blog. Our virtual home staging consultation will allow you to create a lifestyle that buyers not only fall in love with, but ultimately gets them motivated to make an offer. So book your virtual consultation today by clicking the Book Now button below, and you'll be one step closer to the closing table.